it is. Best track in the world. Houston Raceway Park. Check out Steven's new badass Pontiac there. Woo! That thing is nice, all cammed out and everything. I bet you're wondering what is going on. Well, let me explain. You ready? Do it. In case you're wondering about the car, we brought it and it runs. It does need a tune. The issue was very easy. Actually, my buddy Hayden was the one who pointed it out. I completely forgot when we changed out the timing chain that we changed out the cam gear. The cam gear is now a 4X. It used to be a 1X. We didn't change that setting in the Holley EFI system. So that's all it was. We went through all that and it was just a simple change. I went home the following day, changed the setting real quick and it fired right up. So I was super happy for that. Harry's checking out the setup. What do you think of the new setup, buddy? Huh? You like it? I mean, you can have like the bolts. We got Austin here. You guys remember Austin when I baptized him? And we're just gonna parking lot pimp today. We're gonna watch our buddies run. Solomon's gonna run too today. So that's the plan. Just out here having fun, having a good time with the homies, right? All right. So while I was in line to get here, I just looked up and I noticed this freaking Camaro out of the corner of my eye. I didn't catch your name, by the way. Kevin, man. Juan. Kevin. Nice to meet you, Kevin.
Same here, same
so,
here,
yeah, tell us about it, homie.
We got a 416 stroker built by Blanchard Performance Engineering out there in Louisiana.
Okay.
It has forged pistons, forged rods, and Cali's crankshaft. Okay. We're on dedicated fuel system, C16 nitrous. Yeah, she's only 150 shot.
You're running C16 in the tank? What are you running the tank?
It's regular 93 octane.
Okay, 93 C16. Damn.
Yeah. The future plans is to go ahead and put a F1X Pro Charger on it. Okay. But for right now, you know, we're playing with the nitrous, see how she does. If I could give you any advice. Yeah. Okay. And you can ask that man right there. Don't say turbos. Don't say turbos.
Do not do the Pro Charger.
Oh, it's already
Get the turbo.
It's already purchased.
Return it. Return it.
Y'all love them turbos that much.
You're gonna have so much belt trouble, I'm telling you right now.
I hear that all the time.
My dad has a C6 Vet Z06 and we can't keep the belt on that thing. We had to go through so much money and time to get the belt to stay on that thing. And we're talking like 1200 horsepower. So yeah, nitrous setup looks good, man.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. It got 15-inch conversion.
Oh yeah, that's
stars.
I saw. Ooh, Luma stars in the front. Ooh.
Some fatty Mickey Thompson wheels in the back.
Check those out.
We got the strange engineering coilovers on it.
This view right here. This view right here was like, damn, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Damn. Dude.
Yeah, she's nice, man.
Golly. Yeah, great setup, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Look, Juan went to flight school. He could tell him how to land this thing. If you
guys don't remember Raymond from last year, check out the sickest Camaro I've ever seen in my life, bro. What's up, homie? How you been, huh?
Good, man.
God, this thing gets sicker every year, I swear to God, man. Tell me what I can do to make mine look like this, because it's ridiculous.
I just clean it, man.
It's still what is it, the D1X?
Yeah, it's the D1X.
Man, it sounds so much better than last time you did.
Yeah.
At least I have a seat, yours is missing.
No, I don't pop wheelies because
You got that Bluetooth seat. You got that Bluetooth seat.
Yeah. No, it doesn't.
How do you like the new seat?
Freaking Pro Mod over here. We got Solomon coming up first in the Trans Am. Yeah. He said he didn't turn it up. We'll have to see what he turned it up to. Yeah. You? How you feeling? Are you nervous? I'm just asking.
No. I'm like, I know I'm taking it easy this pass, just see what the fuck it's gonna do, but
Yeah.
you feel system.
All right, make me proud. Hit the scramble. Having a small issue with Solomon here. I have to see what's going on. Did you run an 8.8?
Yeah.
I mean, have you ran an 8 before?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was your first 8.
Just bringing that red. Bro, look. Okay, guys. Various safety. So before you go to an event, and you don't overthink a catch can, okay? Because that motherfucker shit came all out of there.
How you feeling? Huh?
Should have checked the catch.
The motor's just a little.
It's just pumping a little bit.
Just a little bit.
bit.
Technically, you could have gotten away with it.
Yeah, I would have.
It is what
It's
it
not
is.
around here, right?
Yeah, I get it. I mean, this is. So he's gonna call it for tonight. We're gonna save it. They're doing the burnout contest, but who do we have? We got the Suzu running, right?
We got the Isuzu running, yes.
Who else is running? Just Harry.
I think just Harry, yeah.
Oh, and Raymond in the black Camaro.
Oh, yeah. How did he do?
10s, I think. 10. Yeah, 10-2. He was trying to get he went 9-9 before in the colder weather. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. We're gonna watch some racing, just hang out for a little while and wrap it up. Stay tuned because we still gotta finish the bullet, take it to the rollers, put some numbers down, get it tuned up, and get ready for racing because we're gonna go to that flashlight shootout in Dallas on the 29th. Van Boris flashlight shootout. I will be there. The car's just about ready, but we got more work to do.
Hey, look over there. That's the car that gas. That one right there.
That one right there?
That one right there.
That one?
Nothing on me.
The Camaro?
Nothing.
All right, some real quick bonus footage. We got Mr. Harry going against another Cadillac CTS-V. You got this.
I got this. Let's fucking do it.
Give him the gap.
Girl power. Fucking girl power.
If you get Gavin, I'm disowning you. I'm just letting you know right now.
I don't have it on yet. It's almost about to die.
Don't let me down, bro! Oh, you double treat him. I feel like they kind of robbed you. So we definitely gonna have to rerun this at some point because they kind of hesitated you guys on the tree. Yeah. What the guy told me was there was something going on in the big end that he couldn't send it just yet. So they backed her up. Good race. Great job.
Thank you. Girl power.
Yeah.
All about it.
I told him that if he got beat, I was gonna disown him. So.
Oh yeah, I let you win. You know what I'm saying?
Tell him. That's good. You got an Instagram or name or something?
Yeah, for sure. Hillary.
Hillary?
H-I-L-L-E-R-E-Y.
E-R-E-Y. There you go. Go check her out. Got a Cadillac V1. Almost put it on Harry. Just saying, Harry.
Almost.
We gotta rerun this though, some point.
Sure.
Okay. Next Cleetus and Cars.
Going out for 2K?
Oh yeah, we'll be here.
All right,
We should be back.
Sweet. Sounds good.
Yeah, appreciate